Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install or reinstall Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The steps are same for both for Windows 10 or Windows 11. So to fix it, first of all, use these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. So make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you are opening Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow and then copy the command. Copy the first command, paste it over here and then hit the Enter key. Now once this is done, run the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the Enter key. Now once done, type in Store in Windows search box and you should have Microsoft Store installed on your computer. But still, if you are unable to install it, in that case, run the first command once again. So copy this command. Again, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow and run only the first command. Do not run this command, only run the first command. Paste it over here, hit the Enter. Once done, now open Xbox app. Now if Xbox app is pre-installed on your computer, you can type in Xbox app in Windows search box and then click on Xbox app to open Xbox app. Now if Xbox app is not pre-installed, in that case you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Xbox website. Scroll down. Here you can see download the app. Click on download the app. And once the download is complete, run this exe file to install Xbox app on your computer. Now once Xbox app is installed, now if Microsoft Store is not installed, you will see an option over here like this app needs an extra component. Microsoft Store is needed for account management. So click on install. And over here you can see installing Microsoft Store. This may take a few minutes. And let the installation complete. Now once that notification is gone, now you can type in Store in Windows search box and then here you can see Microsoft Store. So this is how you can reinstall Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.